Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanted Apollo here. Fired up and grateful to share with you another day. It's day one on this journey, right, of fitness for 2024. It's so important, guys, to take care of your body. You only have one body. You only have one life. And if you don't take care of your health, you don't have your wealth. You know, your wealth is being healthy. You know, you have to have an abundant mindset, an attitude of gratitude. You know, because your body, your mind, and your spirit are all special things, right? They make up you, that beautiful being. I believe inside each and every one of us, we're like the honeybee, right? The honeybee was made to make honey, and you were picked to do whatever your heart desire is, whatever you are, right? A roofer, an artist, musician, you know, you make guitars, you're an entrepreneur, whatever it is, right? You were given this talent, just like the honeybee, and it's up to you if you tap into it or use it. You know, you could, if you don't use it, you lose it, right? Just like anything in life. Your mind, if you don't take care of your mind, transform it on a daily basis, you lose it. If you don't take care of your body, right? You don't eat right, you don't exercise, right? Come down with all kinds of things. So you need to make sure that you keep moving that body. It's important to get up every day and move. You know, and wake up with a desire. You know, as 2025 comes, 2025, I'm thinking a year ahead here. 2024, is upon us, right? Just work on now. You know, there's nothing like now. I've been reading that book, The Power of Now. It's so powerful because all we have is now, this very moment. Yesterday's gone. So we have the ability to make changes in ourselves, right? Each and every one of us. So it's about self-awareness. Don't worry about what other people think. Just work on being a better you each and every day. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. Remember, work on your body, your mind, and your spirit each and every day. And as always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay it. Have an awesome day.